The 2020 Kia Seltos arrives at long last as Kia's entrant into Australia's busy small SUV segment. As more and more buyers turn away from regular hatchbacks and towards SUVs, the Seltos comes at a crucial time. So, how does Kia's new small SUV fit into Australia's soft-roader landscape?
In the Seltos range, there's 4 trim levels to choose from, and across all models, a choice of 2 engines. This particular model is the Seltos Sport, one level up from the entry-level Seltos S. Pricing starts from $29,490 drive away. Over the Seltos S, the Seltos Sport adds features like an upsized 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, plus digital radio and satellite navigation, automatic climate control, power folding mirrors, bigger 17-inch alloy wheels, and more.
The Seltos isn't just new to the small SUV segment. It also introduces a number of new themes to Kia's established design language. Gone are the soft and organic forms of cars like the Sportage and the Stinger, and in their place, there's a new square-shouldered and horizontal design motif instead. Fine details include these textured plastics in the grille, which retains Kia's tiger nose indents, top and bottom, but also runs into the slim upper section of the headlights, though LED lighting is reserved for high-grade models. It might only be compact, but its details are drawn large. There's plenty of plastic cladding, big square wheel arches, and a rising belt line to impart a sense of solidity. While the Seltos might play up the rugged angle from outside, inside things are far more metro. To keep a lid on costs, however, there's plenty of hard plastics on the dash, on the doors, and on the armrests. There's also this weird cutout in the top of the dash, which is where the head-up display would be in a GT line. A constant reminder that there's better equipment available further up market. There's been no cheap out on the infotainment system though. At 10.25 inches, it's one of the biggest in the class. There's hints of BMW in the design, and it comes fully loaded with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, digital radio, and built-in satellite navigation. These little details on the speaker grills adhere to the very on-trend folded paper look that you see just about everywhere at the moment. And despite the fact it's a smaller car, there's plenty of headroom and lots of space inside, so it really doesn't feel much smaller inside than a Sportage. This might seem a little odd, but swing up the tailgate and there's no cargo blind inside the boot. But while it's hard to hide your stuff from prying eyes, there's 433 litres of cargo space with the seats up, or fold them via the 60/40 split fold and they lie almost flat, expanding to 1,393 litres. There's not a lot else to discover within the boot. You get a single bag hook here, and under the floor there's no additional storage, but something more valuable to rural buyers, a full-size spare tyre.
Despite taking a value-added approach on many fronts, Kia has fully stocked the Seltos with up-to-the-minute safety tech. There's the usual inclusions like 6 airbags, a rear-view camera, rear park sensors, traction and stability control, autonomous emergency braking with pedestrian detection, ISOFIX child seat anchorages in the rear, auto headlights, lane keep assist, and driver attention monitoring.
This car includes an optional safety pack, which, for $1,000, adds more advanced AEB, including a wider range of operating speeds and cyclist detection, more advanced driver attention alert to let you know if a car in front moves off, adaptive cruise control, and an electric park brake. As an unabashedly urban SUV, the drivetrain of the Seltos may not look too exciting on paper, but it has the goods to deliver in the real world. It's a thoroughly conventional 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine producing 110 kilowatts and 180 newton metres, not too different from what you get in the Cerato or the Sportage. What is different, however, is the transmission. It's a CVT, or continuously variable transmission. They'll often cop a lot of flack for being droney and unexciting to drive, but that's not the case here. It's smooth and quiet around town, but when you pick up the pace, it behaves much more like a regular automatic. It won't be a drag race winner, but the engine in the Seltos has enough poke to whisk it up to freeway speeds or keep up with bustling traffic. Official fuel consumption is rated at just 6.8 litres per 100 kilometres.
A full-time 7-year warranty is one of Kia's best-known points of difference from other brands who only wheel out special offer 7-year plans on certain models. There's no kilometre limit for non-commercial use either. Cap price servicing is available over the same period, so you can forecast what each of the 12 monthly or 15,000 kilometre visits will cost.
The Seltos Sport arrives not a moment too soon for Kia, and for buyers seeking a high-riding SUV in a more city-friendly package. Whilst the interior is impressive at first glance, the use of hard plastics dotted around the cabin dilutes the appeal a little. On the other hand, a bountiful list of safety equipment and the option to upgrade further for just $1,000 more makes the Seltos an ideal choice for buyers on a budget who don't want to miss out on any of the safety or security tech available throughout the range of Kia's latest models.